you can style your SpaceHey profile, which is like a refactoring, a copy of MySpace. I was a big fan of MySpace, and my band Acid and Ballad was very active on MySpace many years ago. So just yesterday I discovered that an 18 years old guy made MySpace again and give it the name of SpaceHey.com. You can read it here. So you can make your profile, and I'm styling a little bit with HTML and CSS my band's profile. You know, I'm a developer, and you know, many of you maybe remember that MySpace was totally editable from the point of view of the graphics and the styles. And so if you edit your profile and go to About Me section, you can put a style tag, and here you can do basically everything. So for example, I added with an iframe, I added my SoundCloud playlist and our tunes H1, which is a header, and I gave it a class of title and a style the title. And so I added also the container in order to put 2 stars. And so if you know a bit about HTML and CSS, you can do pretty much everything here. And so I just wanted to show you, if for example you want to edit this this line of the blurbs, for example, you have to do just inspect element like this. All right, inspect, and basically if you click on this thing here, this is a cursor that becomes active when you hover every element you want. So if I click here on this thing, I click on the right side, I see the class, and I see also the complete selector that I have to take in order to style it. So I copy it, I select and copy it, and if I stay in the style tag, all right, and I paste here and I give 2 curly brackets. Oops, sorry. I just put the space just for order, but you don't need it. You're right. And all right, here you can decide what kind of color you want to give it. If you click on the color, on the actual color here, you will see a color selector. For example, if I want to go for the green, and yeah, something like that, for example, you see I have the color code I can paste here. So I just have to, or I can just copy it. Sorry, I copy background and I paste it here, right? And save all. I have already my page open here, so if I refresh the page, the change took effect here. All right. Now I want to I don't like the red here, so I do the same and select this is an H4, you see. All right, blurbs H4. I can take this selector and put it here. All right. Sorry, because I'm used to hit tab on my keyboard, but it doesn't work here. You have to go with the space. So blurbs H4, and I can go color white, for example. Color white. Don't forget the semicolon at the end. Save all. Let's see if it took effect. Refresh the page, and the color is white. So you can edit pretty much everything. You know, I opened it less than 24 hours ago. I changed the font because I didn't like Verdana, so I imported from Google Fonts the Railway font. You know, I don't like this one. Okay, I just Railway. And I gave it to the body. So body, font family, Railway sans serif, and my profile has the Railway instead of Verdana, which is the basic and default font. You know, I did this before the video, so you didn't see this process, but it's pretty easy. You go to fontsgoogle.com and you can import you can select here import, not just link, take the style and paste it here. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, because I want to publish more videos about styling your profile, and I'm very happy I found SpaceHey, because I think MySpace was the best social network out there before Facebook came out. So stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and have a very nice day. Bye guys.